Okay, Kyle here from 9457A, and I'm here to bring you a differential. Now in this video, I'm going to cover 5 things. What it is, how it works, the pros and the cons, and where would you use this. First, I'm going to talk about what it is. Now, a differential is used in many positions where you need to distribute power among two axles or wheels, so that way in conditions such as turning on a car or something like that, you're able to make sure the power is distributed evenly, or the speed. Because in a car, if you are rotating as you're driving, one wheel, this wheel in the case, will spin faster because it covers more ground. So what you can do, and this is going on to the next bit, how it works is, what happens is when this gear spins around, and it's connected to this beveled gear right here, it is forced, because these two beveled gears, which is connected to the third one right here, are not able to spin in the same direction. So what happens is, as you spin it around, it kind of acts as if this gear did not rotate, in a sense. But that allows, as you spin up, here, let me, as you spin up, you can distribute the power among the wheels. Next, let's talk about the pros of using a differential. In use of a differential, you're able to distribute the power among these two axles, depending on how whether or not you're turning or not. And so you're able to make turns evenly, especially if you're doing a car type of drivetrain. But a con for using a differential in your drivetrain could be, let's say this wheel is stuck on something, and as you drive it, this wheel slips. So therefore, you are not able to actually move. So you are stuck, and you're unable to get out of that situation. And the other thing is that you can't use it as a tank drive. So it is either forward or back. Lastly, let's talk about where would you use a differential. Now, throughout this video, I might have mentioned it here and there, but the main area that you would use it in is a car type of drivetrain, where your back wheels or front wheels are driven, and your rear wheels have a steering mechanism such as this. Unlike a tank drive, where you have two individual drivetrains that will operate at different speeds. I think I've covered this differential well enough for you to be able to use it and know whether or not you want to use it. So to end this video, I'm going to show you a close-up of the internal gearing system, and hopefully you'll be able to see it. Oh, excuse me. Put that. As you can see, you've got your third bevel gear, which is connected here on the metal bar that's screwed onto this 84-tooth gear, which is being driven by this gear. And so this beveled gear is not connected to this 84-tooth gear, and it smoothly rides on or through the gear. So that way, but this beveled gear is connected to this wheel, as you can see. So what happens is the rotation is similar to an idler gear, and so to try to make the gears, to try to make the gears rotate in opposite directions is impossible because it's an idler. So that's another way to look at it.